Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video I will show you guys this new trading website which has copy experts, stock trading, deposits, withdrawal and all that here. I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this website for yourself, how you can use this website and how you can set up your clients. So let's just jump straight into the video. So this is the home page of the website. You can see the colors has been picked out for you already. See, it has this premium look and all this kind of stuff. You can see the content, layout. It's well structured and layout for you. So what you have to do is just to set it up. You understand? So that's just it. So not waste much time about the front end. Just log into our account and you can see the dashboard. So now you can just click here to log into your account. I'm already logged in here already. You can see this is dashboard. Once you log in, you can see it's very premium. You can see your account balance here. You can just toggle this off and on. You can see your total earnings. You can see your trading progress, signal strength, and all that here. See your investment. You see your Bitcoin balance, Ethereum balance, USDT balance, and all that here. So let's just walk through each step from here. You see, this is the dashboard. So let's go to the deposit page. So we'll take out each features one by one. You can see, okay, you can choose Bitcoin. You can now select the amount you want to deposit, upload the payment proof. Let's say we have this image here. Just look for an image. Just have this image here. Then all we have to do after doing that is just to click on submit. You can see transaction submitted successfully. Okay, so that is just how the deposit side actually works. So now let's test the withdrawal part. I want to show you guys each feature of the website. Withdrawal part is actually the same thing. You can just click on bank transfer. I don't want that. You can click Ethereum. You don't want that, or USD. There are different crypto methods here. So I'll go for Bitcoin because I like using Bitcoin a lot. So just put in the amount here, enter the address I want to withdraw it to, enter my OTP, then click on submit withdrawal. Invalid OTP. Okay, that OTP is invalid. All right, so once your OTP is correct, just put in your OTP there, and that is just that. So now let's go to the trade part. All right, now you can place your trade on different stock. You can see on Google, Tesla, or Amazon. So let's say I'm going for Amazon. I want to buy. Enter the amount. Let's say 100 USD. Then 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes. So I can go for 1 minute. I like that. You can start trade. And right, you can see my trade has been placed. You see the duration 60 seconds, trade will complete in 43 seconds. All right, I can just close that and just start other stuff. You can see the subscription where you can actually subscribe to a particular package or to upgrade your account. So just click on Bitcoin, pay to this address. After that, submit your proof. It's actually the same process. You can upgrade your account. So that's just that for this account upgrade part. It's actually the subscription. Then for the stock, let's click on stock to see how that works. So you can select the basic plan. You get 5% daily for 30 days. Standard plan or the premium plan and all that here. So let's say I'll go for this plan. They enter the amount as 100. Then you can just click on start investment. So this is like an investment package. So it also still has investment too. So you can just click on start investment here. And you can see confirm this basic plan. You get daily profit of $5, duration 30 days, total profit $150 for that 30 days, which is really nice. You can actually show you that how to set this up too. You can start investment. So once the investment has been processed, you see, yeah. So that's just that for that. So let's go to Signal. Let's go to Signal. Here you can see your basic plan, pro signal, VIP signal. Go for basic signal. You can just click on subscribe here. So that's just that for that. Then also we have the copy experts. And okay, you can see the copy expert. You can see I'm currently copying this particular Robert Johnson. You can see the percentage win rates and the profit share and all this kind of stuff here. All right, so that's just that for this. You can just click on copy here. Then there's that. You can only copy one trade at a time, so you can copy this guy If you want to copy this guy down, then you cannot copy this particular person. So you can copy this one down and copy this person. You can see I'm currently copying this person and all that. So that's how the copy tree actually works. And now we have the transactions where you can see all your transactions on this website. You can see your deposit, your withdraw, your account upgrade, and all those kind of stuff here. So that's just that for that. Then we have, what else do we have here? So basically that is how the user site actually works. Then you can see your plan. Yeah, you can see you're in the basic plan. You can upgrade that if you want. So basically this is how the user side actually works. The next part we'll show you now how the admin side actually works, how you can actually manage this website and all that. Yeah, you can see your progress. Alright, so this is the admin side here. You can see total users, deposit funds, total miners, trade here. And you can see you can update your Bitcoin address, Ethereum address, then there's all the address for deposits and all that here. So you can just click on update and just choose to update each one of them. So that's just that. Now let's go to each features of the admin side. Now we have the user side here. Now you can see the user's account is verified. You can just edit this here. You can choose to update the balance of this user, the profit, the investment, the admin balance. Then you can choose to update balance for the crypto address. You can update this, the USD balance, BNB balance, etc. and all that here. Then you can also still reset all balance. You can add profits. Let's say you want to add $200 to the profit. So you can add profit here, which is actually nice. You can see successful. Okay, let's give it time to load. So let's see. Okay, it's loading. All right, so now that's update of added profit to the balance. You can also see add loss too, or you can generate a deposit transaction 50 max, or you can just put like 20. Generate 20 transactions for deposit transfer for this particular user automatically, which is a very nice feature. You can also do generate withdrawal history. You can do 10 withdrawal history, max is 50 actually. So that's just that. Then here you can update the OTP. You know, when I want to place withdrawal just now, it was asking me for my OTP. So this is the OTP here. You can update it for each user and all that here. So you can also still update the plan of the user to basic, premium, or whatever. Then the trade progress, complete the trade progress here. My dashboard, you can see my trade progress about 52 years. You can just come here to actually update it. Then the signal strength, same thing here. This is signal strength here, 80%. I'm coming to edit it to whenever I want to actually use. You can see my account is verified. I can choose to unverify this account. I can block this account. Then I can lock this user from copy trading. Then trading status here, it can lock it too. So that's just that for this. You can also see send a pop-up notification to the user. You can just say test, then you can just shoot yes. Then to show pop-up once the user login. Then you can send notification to the user. You can send an email to the user too. So that's just that for this particular session here. Then here you can see the menus. You can see the minus here. You can see the minus actually the investment packages. You can see ROI, 5%, max, minimum, all that. You can choose to edit or create a new miner here. Just fill out all these details here and all of that. So that's just that for this particular session. In the copy traders, you can see all the copy traders on this particular website. Okay, let's just give it 10 for it to load so we can actually see what we're actually doing. All right, so once you see the copy traders here, you can choose to add a new one. You can see the trader's name, the win rate, and the profit percentage. After that, you can just click on save trader there. So that's just that for that. So the next one we have is the signal packages. Signal packages, you can actually see all the signal packages on this particular website. Okay, so let us give it time to load. All right, so here you can see the signal packages. You can see the price, the ROI, the duration. There's a pro signal, there's a VIP signal, and all that. You can choose to create a new signal package. You can just name it here. So the ROI, the accuracy, the price, and the duration here. So that's how this particular part actually works. So now here you can see the unverified users. Okay, you can choose to verify this user or delete this user. It's your choice. So that's just that for this part. So you can see the mining history, where you can see all the miners. You can choose to cancel this mining, because this one is currently still active. This has been cancelled already. This has been completed. You can choose to cancel this minor. Click on cancel to just cancel. You can see my name process cancelled successfully. You see cancelled for that. So here you can see transaction history. All right, so you can see all this has been approved already. Okay, so now you can see deposit history, where you can see all the deposits the users have made on this particular website. So that's just that. So let's give it time to load so we can actually see what we are doing. So this is the one I made just now, this $100 Bitcoin. So you can choose to approve or decline this. So it's your choice. So that's just that for this particular part. Then here we have the withdrawal history. You can see where's my own. I think this, where's mine? I can't. So this is one of, you can just choose to approve or decline this too. So that's just that for that. And also we have the trade history. I can see the trade history here. This is continuously pending. This is $100. This is you can see the reward. The reward you actually got was actually 120. This is minus 100 and all that. So that's just that for that, for this particular trade session. The next we have the signal history. You can see all the signals users have purchased. This user test beginner $1,500 price 15 days. So that's that for that. Also we have the verification requests, where you can see users have actually completed achievements, something like KYC, and choose to approve or reject this and all that. Yeah, so that's just that for this session. The notifications, nothing else again. So basically this is how the administrator actually works. This is how you can actually set up for how you can manage this particular website. So the next thing I will show you guys now is how you can actually set up this website for yourself or for your clients. So first thing you need first is your cPanel. Alright, so this is your cPanel. So once you log into your cPanel, you take it straight to this dashboard. So if you don't know how you can get your cPanel details and all that, just there will be a number on this video, the description of this video. You can just contact us. They will show you how you can get your domain name and host and all that. Then give you your cPanel details. So this is your cPanel once you log in. For this practical test, I'm going to upload this into a subdomain. So just search domains. Actually, the same process if you're uploading the domain, the subdomain, or the main domain. It's actually the same process. I'll show you guys how that works. So let's just give it time. So now once you upload your I think I already have a domain here, subdomain I created already. Let's give it time to load. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have a subdomain here already, which is test1. I think this is it. Let's see. Okay, no, it's not it. I think it's test2. Okay, I think it's test2. Let me just cancel this. Alright, I think it's test2. Just let me delete this. I don't need this delete. Alright, so now I'm going to upload it inside this subdomain called test2. But if you want to upload yours in the main domain, I just click here. You understand the same process. So let's just continue. Sorry. Alright, all you have to do now is to click on upload here. Click on upload. You actually have to select the particular file from your computer. I already have it here, which is this Bit Pro Market. Click on open. Alright. So just have to wait for it to finish uploading. Once you finish uploading, you have to wait for it to show a green color before canceling anything. So even though it's 200% and the color is still blue, you have to wait for it to show green. That's to know that it has successfully uploaded already. So just wait for it to upload. So while that is uploading, let's go create our database. So just come here, search on DB, click on DB wizard, click on that. Okay, now we have to create a database and username and password for that, so we can set up our database connection. Now, name my database, let's say Bit Pro. Just copy this name. I'll show you guys why I like to copy this. Just copy this particular name here. Click on next. Okay. Click on next, and now just paste that same name there as username. The same thing for your password. Just come here, paste this here, paste this here. The reason I like doing it like this is that it's very easy for me to set up. The database name, the password, and the username are all the same thing. So just click on create user. create user, then all privileges, then click on make changes here. Alright, so you can see our database has finished creating. Just copy this particular name. You can see username and the database name, actually the same thing. So now let's go back to our file. You can see it has finished uploading. You can see the green color here. Just cancel this, come back here, and just reload. Once you reload, just have to do is click here, right click on extract here, then click on extract. Okay, so let's wait for us to finish extracting so we can actually set our database, then upload our SQL file. Okay, let's see, it's still extracting. Or you can see it has finished extracting. Just you can close, just reload this particular page, then just delete this particular one. I'll delete it from here. Then this folder here, click on it, click on select all, move it out of that particular folder so it can be inside the directory, and click on move. All right, perfect. Then just go back here, go back there. Now it's time for us to set our database. So the easiest way to do this is that you just have to, any part that have assets. So this particular one, assets, click on assets, click on assets, click on PHP, click on connection, edit, then just place that there, place this there, place this there, then click on save. Don't forget to save that. Then let's see, but that's all for that. Then let's see. Okay, now to set up your SNTP so you can users can receive details, edit this send me to. You can edit, then set up your host, which is your name, your domain name, put in your email you created, the SSL, then 465, then the name, then set up the password. Right, so that's just for this particular one. So this is my password. You can actually just put the password too. Set the password there too. So after that, that's not the only place you have to edit. So just go back again. Then you just have to come back to admin folder. This admin folder there. Go into, let's see, where's that? Assets. Yeah, remember any folder that have assets, there should be a database connection there. So asset, then look for, let's see, where is it? Okay, the first thing you have to set is this send underscore email. That's where you can see set up the SNTP2. Let's see, I think it's here. Yeah, you have to set up this SNTP2 for this particular place. Then database connection should be inside. Let's see, configuration, then connection. Then just click on edit. Just set up your database connection here. Then click on save. Then one more part is to go back to, let's see, there's one more part for us to fix to set up database connection, which should be inside let's see, inside user folder. Yeah, this user folder, click on that. Then config, let me see. Now config inside assets. This is here PHP, then connection.php, this particular one here. Click on edit. Then you have to set up the database here too. Then click on save. So that's just that for that. Then so you have set up our database. Now the next thing to do is to upload our SQL. Then just go into this folder, download this particular file into your database, into your laptop. Then just come back here to your spanner dashboard, search on PHP MySQL. Okay, once you click on that, you just have to import the particular SQL to that file. All right, let's see. Let's see. Just give it time to load. All right, so just load. So you just have to look for that particular database name created, which was BitPro. Click on BitPro here. This is it. Then once you click on it, make sure it's the particular one you created you are clicking on. Then we have to import that particular SQL file. Let's just wait for it to load. Now just click on import here. I'll click on import. Let us select the particular file. Browse from the computer. Then this is it here. Click on here. Click on import. Once the thing has finished importing, you will see like a green success message on top here, like this, like here, this particular part. Then you know that the database has finished importing. So if you follow every step of this particular video, you should not have any issues setting up this website. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.